How to turn off voicemail on iPhone. Hey everyone! If you're looking to disable voicemail on your iPhone but aren't sure how, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to turn it off quickly and easily. So make sure to watch till the end, and let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Once in the Apps section, scroll down and find the Phone option and tap on it. Here, look for Call Forwarding and tap on it. In my device, the option is not available. If it appears on yours, follow the steps. If it's turned on, go ahead and switch it off. This will prevent your calls from being redirected to voicemail. After that, restart your iPhone to apply the changes. And that's it! You've now successfully turned off voicemail on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.